Hello guys, Mehul back in with another new video, and today I am featuring an app which is not open source, not totally free, but it has a free plan that is generous enough. Okay, and it's proprietary, totally proprietary. But it is something that will make your life a lot more easier. Okay, like when you have an app, okay, uh, you launched it, it is going great, but obviously our users, like all of our users, have some feedbacks for us. They want the app to continuously grow and make it better for them, right? So it would be really difficult to gather first of all, it will be difficult to make a feedback management system of your own inside your app because that's not your primary goal. Second, it would be horrendous if you try to collect feedback from all of the social media platforms, because that doesn't make sense, to be honest. Though you can use any of the CRM to connect all of those, but still that doesn't make sense to track all of those feedbacks and get back to them, put it in your roadmap and get back to them. So obviously we need some kind of feedback management system. So today I have that particular feedback management system. Now this particular design philosophy of this feedback management system is inspired from a open source project that I know. Currently I don't remember the exact name of it, but yeah, it almost looks like GitHub's feedback management system that they have. Not GitHub's feedback management, but the community section that GitHub recently launched. Okay, so let me just show it to you. Let us go through the website and let's see what it has to offer us and how they're offering it, right? So let's just get started. This is Canny. Okay, the app that I am featuring today. Now this looks a lot like Discourse. Okay, I think these have taken inspiration from Discourse to give the front end look. Front end. I shouldn't say it is front end. This is mainly the user side. Yeah, user side looks a more like a Discourse community, and Discourse is obviously a open source community app that you can host yourself. And also GitHub, actually it almost mostly looks like a GitHub discussion section. Okay, as you can see it over here, this is the app screenshot, not app screenshot, but the screenshot that user will get. Okay, so they have a title, they can write down the details, maybe upload pictures and submit to it. Okay, and actually I have seen Canny over other websites as well that they are using rigorously for their project development, because it's obviously it's easier, that's why they are using it. And as you can see, yeah, those are some of the really renowned companies that who are using Canny. And here you can see, this is the basic training that you get. You just have to do one thing, give this anywhere in your website, like link to it, and you will be able to give feedback. Actually we have a feedback section here as well. I think obviously they have created it with any. Yeah, see, so here you can see roadmaps. Okay, what are the things that they gonna do later on, like add later on. So your roadmap is public as well over here. And we have feature requests, integrations, languages, and which are under review, which are planned, or which are in progress. Okay, and you can give it a feedback regarding feature request, integration, and languages. If I go to like one thing, see, I can give it a feature request right now. Over here I can type in and add as the photo and create a post that will generate a post like this over here, that obviously looks similarly like this, right? And here I can upvote a thing, same that the GitHub discussion is doing. I can upvote it. But the thing is, you can't really integrate GitHub discussion into your platform, into your own platform, right? But you can do what you can do actually, integrate this thing. Integrate means like linking this thing to your section or your website or your something. Okay. And another thing, obviously, GitHub community doesn't have, that is particularly the road mapping section, right? Actually, what they believe in, and what I really liked about it, is what they are doing is basically they are having all of those things, like they are, here are the feature requests or whatever the requests that people have done. They're looking at this what voting, yeah, voting, and actually refining it down from here to the roadmap, so that it is easier for the user, as well as it is easier for your internal team to track down what is important and what needs to be changed, and in which order you should change. So the missing link, actually they are connecting the missing link between the roadmap and the feedback system. That is what I think phenomenal. Okay, from UX standpoint, I will give it a full marks, because yeah, this is what needs to be done. Okay, and they are doing it. So yeah, I really like it. And rather than that, you are getting a overview, like admin dashboard for you, where you can manage all of those things. Okay, and there's a specific flow control as well, like user control means not in the user side, like in admin side, like team control or collaboration control. So you can restrict project, like suppose you can restrict design people to design section, developing people to developing section, whichever the like the granular role control that they are giving over here is phenomenal. Okay, so the particular team will know about the particular job that they have to do, that's in the roadmap. So that's a great thing that they have implemented over here. Now let's talk about the pricing. We know what it does, how it does, and like how it will be doing. See, these are the things that you are getting. Okay, we know. And another thing is, you can integrate Slack, Intercom, Zapier, Zira, then Zendesk, Salesforce CRMs, and GitHub as well. Okay, so you can have feedbacks from all of those platforms integrated into your Canny. So that is really great, I would say. Now, here's not the complete thing. The thing is, let's talk about pricing a bit, because that's what's actually important when it comes to like a tool, right? When we go to pricing, you can see in their free plan you are getting like owner slash manager unlimited, contributor unlimited, end user is also unlimited, but roadmap would be one. Now if you are really okay with that, having one roadmap, if you are not that much big of a company, you are just starting out, smaller startup, you just have to follow one roadmap, this is perfectly okay for you. Just create it, start using it. When you are growing a lot, suppose maybe you have grown to an extent where you need like this kind of a roadmap sectionization, under review, plan, and in progress, like this kind of a sectionization. Or in to be honest, to be started with, you can just create planned or in progress to write down all of the progress. But here you can like have separate roadmaps. Okay, so that's what makes it different. And in the other features also, we have a lot of things like private boards, user segmentation, internal comments, private comments, all of those things. Okay, and you are getting only one integration here. And for the growth plan or the business plan, you are getting all of the uh, integrations. But yeah, when you are just starting with, one integration is great, I would say, because yeah, there's nothing much to deal with it. And that's basically about it. That's basically about it about this Canny. And to be honest, I have seen Canny in work and I have used it once as well. That's why I'm suggesting you to use it. Okay. Maybe in future I will use it for my apps as well, because obviously we'll be needing something to control that feedbacking system, because it's important, like giving the power to your customer to give feedback is most important when you are building a product. Okay, so do that, obviously do that. That's basically about it. And let me know if you know some of the apps like this, maybe a open source version of this. If you know something like that, please let me know about them as well. And rather than that, if you like this video in particular, or maybe you like all of my videos or mostly my videos, why mostly most of my videos, please do subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, share with your friends, and like help me to boost up the YouTube algorithm. And yesterday I checked, I have left, like I think there's 47 videos left if we like count today's also. So 47 videos left, so that's it. Bye.